everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Usha Bala. So today I will gonna show you this easy pav bhaji at home. So let's get started into the video. So first of all, take a bread slices and cut the bread slices into evenly like so. So I am taking 10 bread slices and cut evenly. Next, take a mixie jar and pour on it green mirchi, garlic and ginger. Okay, now make a paste and add 2 tablespoons of salt and again mix it. Okay, now take a butter or ghee. Take a pan, add butter on that and melted it. Now the butter was melted. Now take bread slices and add into that butter pan and roasted the bread slices. Okay, roasted the bread slices well until it turns brown color. See that? Don't mix too much of bread slices. Okay, now the bread slices was roasted. Take a plate and beside of the bread slices. Now add some ghee or butter on that pan, on that same pan. Okay, now add ginger, garlic and green mirchi paste. Now roasted it well. Okay, now add chopped onions on that. Okay, again roast it well. Now add chopped tomatoes on that. Again roast it. Please subscribe my channel, guys. Okay, now add 1 cup of tomato sauce on that mixture, onions and tomato mixture. Now add half glass of water. Okay, now add bread slices on that. and mix it well. Now take a bowl and serve it that Pav Bhaji, garnishing with sauce, curry leaves and coriander leaves. Okay, this is the easy Pav Bhaji at home. So if you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel guys. Bye. Thank you for watching. Keep smiling guys.